Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to talk about how you can create a landing page on HubSpot, and it will be an excellent video if you are a beginner. I am going to break down step by step process to make a landing page on HubSpot. So I will start from the scratch and I will stop into the result. So without any further ado, let's get started into the video. So here you can see this is the HubSpot platform. So if you are new in here, you just need to be create an account over that place. How you can do it? Here you just need to be click on get a demo, or you can go with the pricing panel to see the pricing over that place, how much they charge. So here you can see that they have a couple of price. If you see the pricing from that place, this is the pricing you have. This 800 monthly dollar, then you will get this kind of a features. So you are allowed to use the free plan also. Just click on get started. Once you click over here, then they will redirect you to the next page where you will get this get started with HubSpot. HubSpot is an AI powered customer platform with all the tools you need for marketing, sales and customer service. Watch a demo of our starter customer platform bundle or upgrade your free tools to start. Just click on get a demo, then create an account, get free demo, give me a phone number, and then click on get a free demo, and here your demo. So as you can see, starter customer platform. So this is the demo we have. So if you want to see it, you are allowed to explore it. So after seeing our demo, I will come back to this platform and I will click on, or I will search this HubSpot, and then I will click on login. Once I click over here, in these options we have login first and save for 2-year HubSpot. So get started for free, you just need to click over here to create a new account. So I already have account, but I will tell you, if you are new, you just need to be input your email address over here. Once you did, you will allow to enable this button. You now are ready to go to the next step. So I will choose this one because this is the simplest one. That's why I always choose this process. Just click on continue as HN. Once you click over here, then it will tell you to choose your Gmail account, then click on continue. Once I click over here, then it will take a while, and now you can see it. Welcome back agent. It looks like you are already using HubSpot. Continue with this user, and then click on continue with this account, or you are allowed to create a new and fresh account over here. Once you come over that place, in that platform you have a couple of options. As you can see, it's called CRM. Let's go and let's click over that place, and here now you can see this is the CRM, and then we have the options called marketing. Then another one is content. It is the mandatory for this video because here we have website page and landing page options. Next we have the sales panels, then commerce sections, service sections, and data management, and many more. So here we are going to click on continue and click on landing page because our main motive was to create a landing page in HubSpot. So here, landing page, drive customer to your website with landing page. Create and launch custom landing page for your campaign within minutes. Then easily convert visitor into qualified business leads, and you are allowed to optimize your landing page or pages with conversations analytics. So you just need to be click. Okay, then you just need to be click over here start from scratch if you want to start from the sketch, but this one is premium. Like, you just need to be upgrade your plan. Once you upload, then you are allowed to use this AI. So I will click on start from scratch. Once I click over here start from scratch, they will give us some couple of themes over here. So you can activate any themes from that place. You can view themes in the marketplace also. So it's totally depend on you which one you want to use. Like, you should use this one, you could use this one. It's totally free. So it's depend on your plan and how you want to give an interface to your audience. So you can preview it. If you think this one is really amazing, you are like it's a good to go, then you can use it. So let's come back to the back, and I am going to click this one. I just want to use one of them. It is not mandatory to use a platform, a template from place, so I will choose a random one. So I will click on view details, and here you can see this is the details, and I am going to click on install. Once I click over here, they will give us the option to check it out. Then I will click on install for free. Once I click over here, then here you can see it is importing, like the theme is installing. So here theme install. What do you want to do next? Set as an active theme and start building my site. Set as an active theme and edit the theme setting. So I will go with this one. This is the reliable one, so I have the access to edit all the things before publish our theme. So I will select this one and then click on this, and here you can see it, welcome the theme editor. You can view it, then click on next, primary header. From the primary header you can navigate back to the editor, undo and redo, view reversion history, access the knowledge base and retake this tour. Okay, understand. Then click on next. There is a secondary header, switch between pages and screen sizes. You can easily undo or redo actions from the right corner. Then click on next. Reset to the default. To reset your theme to default setting, click on the ellipsis next to the title. Okay, understand. So here you can see it is the theme we already imported. So in the left corner we have edit theme setting. You just need to click. You are allowed to reset the default, but if you want to change the color, you are allowed to change it from that place. As you can see it, if you want to change the color to this, you can see that color has been changed. As you can see it, again make it yellow. Then let's go and header colors. In header colors, under the header colors we have menu. We can change the menu. Let's make it this black is perfect. Here you can see in there. Then we have icons. If you want to change the icon color, make it this. Here you can see that icon color has been changed. So you have all the authorities to choose whatever you are allowed to choose it. Then go to theme editor again and general colors, then body colors, footer colors. Like let's click on this general view. It is possible to set two different values for your borders and corner in focus plus theme. Thus you can set border corners for bigger. So you just need to be explore it and read it properly, the information, so you can easily, like slowly edit whole themes by your own. Here we have these options called typography, buttons, fonts, spacing and other setting. Let's click on other setting. Here we have this called view tweaks. So slash icon under titles. Then we have blog post. So it's really amazing. So we already done. So if you think that your design has been done, now you will be okay with your website. Now you can easily publish your website to your HubSpot. I will just click on this publish theme. Once I click over here, now here you can see change will be made to the focus theme, which is used on your content continue publishing. Just click on publish. Once you click over here, then you can allow to see it that your focus has been published. Just click on this, and here you can see this is the thing has been published perfectly. Let's come to the general, and here you can see this is the landing page we have. So I will click on landing page again, and here you are allowed to create landing page from scratch again. So we have this one. So I will click on website pages. Okay, not this one. So let's go over this one. Contact companies and things. We just need to find out where is our website. So let's feature includes podcasts. Okay, great. Distribute this option. So I hope you understand how you can make a landing page for you. So let's add to bookmark, embedded, design manager. So here is the options, and this is the options we have. So I hope you understand how you can make your landing page for your business. It is really simplest way to create a landing page and publish it in your website. Okay, once you think that you are done, just click on preview. By clicking on preview, you are allowed to see your whole website. You can copy the shareable link and you can share with your friends, your colleagues, whoever you want to share. You are allowed to share it, and this is the link. if I share this link, like this link, anyone can watch or view this landing page. So I hope you love this video. If you think this video was really helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.